Guys, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. We start the preparation of the computer science subject for CSS, PPSC, FPSC, PCS, GAT, GAR. I hope this content helpful for you, and after the preparation you will get good job as an officer. So let's start. The digital computer was developed primarily in, the correct answer is C, USA. The subject of cybernetics deals with the science of, the correct answer is B, control and communication. Which of the following required large computer memory? The correct answer is D, all of the above, which include imaging, graphics, and voice. A term associated with the comparison of processing speed of different computer systems is, the correct answer is C, MIPS. Who invented the microprocessor? The correct answer is A, American EF. One computer that is not considered a portable computer is, the correct answer is A, mini computer. A dumb terminal has, the correct answer is C, a keyboard and screen. Plotter accuracy is measured in terms of repeatability, and the correct answer is C, resolution. The accuracy of the floating point numbers representable in 26-bit world of the computer is approximately. The correct answer is D, 6 digit. Daisy wheel printer is a type of, the correct answer is A, impact printer. Testing is used to determine that the solution solves the problem. The correct answer is technique. A risk is a condition that can result in a, the correct answer is A, loss. SDLC stand for, the correct answer is System Development Life Cycle. Computer systems are interconnected into such that problem in one can cascade into and others. The correct answer is cycle of chains. Actual testing occurs during the stage of development. The correct answer is construction. The associated with testing will be called test factor. The correct answer is C, risk. The process of saving the supporting evidential matter is frequently called, the correct answer is A, audit trail. The concept of is important in both design and testing. Correct answer is C, fit. The testing methodology represent, the correct answer is A, cube. Structural analysis based test sets tend to uncover errors that occur during of the program coding. Thank you for watching. If you will think this is helpful for you,